abnormal psychology. That was different. Let you understand like children's and like the behavior they have. We're learning to do like work with rats and how rats react to certain things. Rat thing. I learned everyone didn't know you had to deal with rats, and I didn't even know that, and my friend didn't know that coming into it. Because you're like you're exploring like different things and how the mind works and how children function.
They're not all nerdy, I guess. Like, a lot of people think they're either really nerdy people or they're kind of, I guess, pompous and wealthy political science type things. But that's not the case. It's just people that are interested in the community and trying to make a difference. I'm hoping to get involved with a nonprofit back in Detroit. If not that, hopefully work with a legislative representative or something.
What I like most about economics is because I think it tries to explain how scarce resources are shared, in constrained environments. I think one of the most interesting things about economics is that it's a subject matter that tries to combine both scientific methods as well as ordinary social research to kind of like come up with explanations of the different things that happen around us. Basically just try to understand our lives better, to study the past, predict the future, and it's very diverse. Yeah, it's very diverse. Outside the school activities, I think there are a lot of organizations that cater for all sorts of interests that different students have. I belong to the Graduate Student Advisory Committee. We cater for, we act as a bridge between students and the graduate students and administration. And there's a whole lot of stuff that just happens around here. You can never really run out of things to do.
To pick apart the human brain and finding out where thoughts come from, whether it comes from experience or things they were born with or things that they learned throughout their lives. I'm really interested in child psychology. That's my goal. I want to be a child psychologist when I graduate.
All right, cool.
So majoring in psychology and child development is kind of what I'm doing right now. I think people kind of think we're all geeky and quiet and scientific, but we're not. We're just normal people like everybody else. It's kind of a stereotypical thing, psychology major, they're kind of eccentric and just they're focused on science, but we're not.
Very diverse.
The accessibility to the professors.
Professional.
A lot of different stuff on campus to get into.
Advising, because I've had a lot of help with career exploration and internship opportunities.
I think they have excellent educational facilities.
Campus itself, everything's in walking distance.